Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. So these two softwares can't be taken in a single video. If it is possible, the video length will be too big, okay, and it will be bored for you. So what I am going to do here in this video is few elements using PowerPoint and few elements which can be done in Word. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Word, I have done a separate video regarding Microsoft Word using an example called poster. Using that poster, I have done like lots of elements and options which can be used in Microsoft Word. Okay, so I have named that poster as Happy Women's Day. So you can learn all about the Microsoft Word. So using an example, why I am using an example is all about you can learn all the options and the elements and all the effects which is in the Word or else in the PowerPoint. So in this video, in PowerPoint, what I am going to do is I am going to import an image and I am going to play with the shapes, adjusting the shapes and apply colors and as well as apply the text. Okay, so in Word, what I am going to do is I am going to remove the background for an image which doesn't have a solid color. Solid color is all about, if you see in my background there is a white color, that is the solid color. If there is no solid color, you can see a screen behind me, that is not the solid color. You can see a wavery thing behind me, so that can't be removed in a single click. So these are the two different things to remove a background. Okay, solid color and not a solid color. So I have done those two things in Microsoft Word. So if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe my channel and watch all my videos and support me. Open Microsoft PowerPoint. Here, create a blank presentation and a new presentation site opens. Let's delete these boxes. Go to menu bar option. There, select Insert. Below that, there is an option called Pictures. Select the picture option and a new dialog box opens. There we can select our pictures which we need. Let me select this image which I have downloaded. Scale the image and place it aside. Go to the menu bar section, select Insert option. Below that, there is an option called Shapes. Click the Shape options. A drop-down box opens up with lots of shapes. Here we have rectangle and rounded rectangle shape. Now we need a rectangle shape because in this logo we don't have curved edges. So let's select the rectangle and create it. Drag the rectangle and place it according to the size of the shape. Now let's right click the shape. You can see an option called Edit Points. Select it and adjust the points according to the shape. Now let's select the shape color and shape outline color. Shape outline color is which is created in the outline of the shape. You can see that we have lots of weight options for outline and we have dashes style too. Select the option called No Outline because we don't need the outline now. Go to the shape fill color and fill up the color we need for the shape. Select the shape which we created and press Ctrl plus D in the keyboard for duplicate option. And let's right click, select edit points and arrange that shape according to this shape as we did previously. Go to the shape fill option and fill the color we need. Let's move to third shape. We need a triangle shape. Create it from the shapes panel and rotate it accordingly. After that, select the shape and apply the color. Below the shape fill option, we have an option called eyedropper. Eyedropper is used to pick the color. So here we can also use that and choose the color from the image. Finally, we have created the logo using shapes through Microsoft PowerPoint. Now let's create the text. For that, go to the insert option again. You can find an option called text box. Select the text box and type the text you need. We won't get the exact text because I'm just showing how to use the text box in Microsoft PowerPoint. We can also select the text and change the font, size, style and color. If we select the text and press Ctrl A in the keyboard, the overall text will be selected. And we can also increase and decrease the size for the text using the shortcut like pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus greater symbol or lesser symbol in the keyboard to increase or decrease the text size. This is how we create Hero Company logo using shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint.
Open MS Word, select the blank document and go to Insert option. There select Pictures option to import an image. The image which I am placing in the page is not an solid color image because I have taken a selfie, and if you see the background of mine, it's not a solid color. After placing the image, select the image and go to Format option and select the option called Remove Background. After selecting Remove Background, we will get coordinates above the image. We can move those and adjust. The area which is going to be removed will be looking in different color. So now you can see some part is left to remove. Those we can remove using the options called Mark Areas to Keep and Mark Areas to Remove. These are the two options we can use to keep the selected area and to remove the selected area. So to keep the selected area, select the option called Mark Areas to Keep. To remove the selected area, select the option called Mark Area to Remove. So use these two options and make your background removal smooth. You can see I have used these two options and made the background removal. After that, select Keep Changes. Our background will be removed. Now we can apply any color in the background. Let me place another image and remove the background. Place the image and select the option called Remove Background. Adjust the coordinates and click Keep Changes. You can see there background got removed. This is how we remove a background from an image using Microsoft Word. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.